What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Houseplant Essentials. I'm Bryce. Thanks for being with me today. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use a moss pole and how to run your plant up it. So this is actually going to encourage the plant to climb, which it does in its natural habitat, and it's going to grow bigger and healthier as a result. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so as you can see, I've taken the plant off the pole and now we're gonna put it back up. So I was a little I was cringing as I was doing this, taking it off, but it's gonna be okay. It's gonna look great. In fact, it's gonna look even better. So yeah, first thing you wanna do is make sure you have a moss pole. And this one is from Amazon. In fact, all of mine are from Amazon, except for one that a friend made for me. But this is actually two poles in one. It just comes apart. If I can get it apart. I can't get it apart. It's jammed in there too much. Yeah, you want to get the pole. You want to make sure, the first time you use it, great time to make sure it gets soaking wet. So run this under some water. And then when that's done, you want to just put the pole right into the plant. You want to make sure you're avoiding any roots, and you can tell if you're going to hit a root because it'll be hard to push it down. If you start to get some resistance, don't push it down even further. That will definitely do some damage to the plant. So I've taken this, I've put it right behind the main part where all the vines come out. So yeah, that's the first thing you need is a pole. Put it in your plants. And then next you're gonna need some green plant Velcro. This stuff is amazing. Let me tell you, I use this for so many different things with my plants. It is just amazing. Not only do I use it on poles like this, I use it for so many different things. So yeah, get yourself some plant Velcro. This is going to come in very handy. And what you want to do next is cut some strips that are the right length to go around the pole. So as you can see, it just goes like that. Perfect. And that's going to hold up the vines. All right. So yeah, cut yourself some of those. And next, we just want to run it up the pole. Okay, so I have laid out all of the vines in front of me. I've separated them out so they're easy to grab and to put up the pole. So that's exactly what we want to do next. We're just going to take each one and place it up the pole, and I'll show you how to do that. So let me tilt this up a little bit. There we go. Now you can see me. Hello. And we got our little strips here, and we're going to be using that to hold up the vines. So let's just get one out here to have ready to put up at the top. So next we're just going to take each vine, and I'm going to hold it with my hand up here, and we're just going to run it right up. Now, we're not going to wrap it around the pole. I mean, I suppose you can, but that's going to take up more of its length, and it's not going to look as cool. I guess cool is the word to use. Whatever. So yeah, now I'm just going to run this up using my fingers at the top. I'm going to hold it in, and yeah, just take each one and just go like this. All right, so this is pretty easy. I'm glad it's coming easy. Now, your plant may not be this long, but that's okay. This is just for an example. I didn't have one that didn't have long vines. Here we go. Last but not least. And We just want to make sure that the vines are kind of placed in a way that they are, you know, visually pleasing, looking like this. So let's see, I've got it like that. Now we want to take a piece of the Velcro and put it at the top. Kind of leave it a little loose because we're going to move these around the side, just to give this look as if it were running around. Now let's put a piece of Velcro, maybe kind of around here, avoiding the leaves. I'm gonna do this one up the top a little tighter now. All right, let's put one kind of in the center of the pole. Make sure the leaves don't get stuck in the Velcro. And then let's put one down at the bottom. Now you can do this with a lot of different plants. You know, pothos, like to vine, philodendron, like to vine, and climb, vine and climb. And yeah, they all kind of work. Oh, this at the very top. I'm gonna get another piece here. Okay. Just to hold these last pieces up here. Now you can put as little or as much as you like of the Velcro. So there we go. What do y'all think? I think it looks pretty good. I am pleased. Now if you don't like it, you know, take off some of these pieces of Velcro. I'm gonna see what this looks like if I take it off here. There we go. I kind of like that. Yeah, I like it. It looks good. So there we go. There it is in its entirety, and it's even growing up the top. So these guys definitely like to climb. Okay, so the next thing I should be telling you is about misting your pole. This is a question that I get quite frequently. How often do I need to mist my pole? Well, so you need to do that occasionally. So every once in a while, take a spray bottle and give it a good spray, and that'll be really healthy for the pole. So yep, spray it on occasion. All right, so that'll be it for today's video. I hope that you got some good information that you were needing about how to run a plant up a moss pole and kind of the maintenance that is needed. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked today's video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button so that you get notified of new content when it's available. Thanks again. Take care.